Chinese car companies are making significant inroads into the Japanese automotive market, echoing the way Japanese automakers disrupted the U.S. market in the 1970s. This shift marks a significant change in the global automotive industry, as Chinese manufacturers bring competitive, affordable, and increasingly high-quality vehicles to Japan, a market long dominated by domestic giants like Toyota, Honda, and Nissan. Before we proceed, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help us with the YouTube algorithm. In the 1970s, Japanese car manufacturers revolutionized the U.S. market by offering smaller, more fuel-efficient vehicles at a time when American automakers were focused on larger, gas-guzzling models. This strategy allowed Japanese brands to gain a foothold and eventually dominate a substantial portion of the U.S. market. Today, Chinese automakers are employing similar tactics in Japan, leveraging their expertise in electric vehicles, EVs, and competitive pricing to appeal to Japanese consumers. China's focus on electric vehicles has been a key factor in its automotive industry's success. As the global demand for EVs continues to rise, Chinese companies have positioned themselves as leaders in this field, offering a wide range of models that cater to different consumer needs. Japanese automakers, while also investing in EV technology, have been slower to transition away from traditional internal combustion engines. This has allowed Chinese brands to carve out a niche in Japan, particularly among environmentally conscious consumers looking for affordable EV options. The Japanese market, known for its high standards and loyalty to domestic brands, has proven to be a challenging environment for foreign car makers. However, Chinese manufacturers are gaining traction by offering vehicles that not only meet but exceed Japanese regulatory standards. They're also focusing on providing value through innovative technology, modern design, and strong after-sales support, which are key considerations for Japanese buyers. In addition to their focus on electric vehicles, Chinese car companies are also expanding their presence in Japan through strategic partnerships and collaborations. By aligning with local businesses and leveraging their expertise, Chinese automakers are able to better understand the needs and preferences of Japanese consumers, tailoring their offerings to suit the market. This approach is similar to how Japanese companies in the 1970s established production facilities and formed alliances in the U.S. to better serve American customers. The growing presence of Chinese cars in Japan is part of a broader trend of Chinese companies expanding their influence in global markets. As China continues to invest in advanced manufacturing, research and development, and global supply chains, its automakers are increasingly viewed as serious competitors to established players in the automotive industry. This shift is likely to intensify as Chinese brands continue to innovate and improve the quality of their vehicles. However, the rise of Chinese automakers in Japan is not without challenges. Japanese consumers have a strong sense of brand loyalty, and many still prefer to purchase vehicles from well-known domestic brands. Additionally, there are concerns about the long-term reliability and resale value of Chinese cars, which could impact their acceptance in the market. To overcome these obstacles, Chinese manufacturers will need to build trust with Japanese consumers by consistently delivering high-quality products and excellent customer service. In conclusion, the entry of Chinese car companies into the Japanese market represents a significant shift in the global automotive landscape. By focusing on electric vehicles, competitive pricing, and strategic partnerships, Chinese automakers are challenging the dominance of traditional Japanese brands in their home market. This development mirrors the way Japanese automakers disrupted the U.S. market in the 1970s and signals a new era of competition and innovation in the automotive industry.